Fitbit Charge 5 Advanced Fitness Tracker, an unbiased review. In a rapidly evolving market of fitness technology, the Fitbit Charge 5 stands out as one of the most discussed fitness trackers of recent years. As the successor to the Charge 4, it brings a refreshed design and new health features designed to appeal to users seeking more than just step counting. But does it live up to the expectations of everyday users and fitness enthusiasts alike? Let's dive into a detailed and unbiased review. One of the most noticeable improvements with the Charge 5 is its design. Fitbit has finally embraced a full-color AMOLED touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the grayscale screens of its predecessors. The display is vibrant, easier to read in direct sunlight, and more aesthetically pleasing. The device comes with an infinity band that is soft, flexible, and comfortable for all-day wear. The Charge 5 is sleek and lightweight, making it easy to forget you're wearing it. Fitbit also eliminated physical buttons in favor of touchscreen-only navigation, which can be a matter of preference. Some users appreciate the minimalist design, while others miss the tactile feedback of a button. The Charge 5 packs an impressive array of sensors and health tracking features for a device in its price range. It tracks all the usual fitness metrics such as steps, distance, calories burned, active minutes, and heart rate. Where it begins to differentiate itself is in its advanced features. The Charge 5 uses Fitbit's Pure Pulse technology for continuous heart rate monitoring. In practice, the readings are fairly accurate and consistent for most users. For those looking to monitor heart health more closely, the ECG electrocardiogram app allows users to check for signs of atrial fibrillation, although this feature may require setup via the Fitbit app and is only available in supported regions. Fitbit continues to lead in sleep tracking. The Charge 5 monitors sleep stages, light, deep, and REM, and provides users with a sleep score each night. The data is presented in an easy-to-understand format within the Fitbit app, helping users identify patterns and make changes to improve sleep hygiene. Stress management and EDA sensor. Another unique feature is the EDA electrodermal activity sensor, which measures changes in skin conductivity to help assess stress levels. The Charge 5 encourages mindfulness with built-in guided breathing sessions and a daily stress management score. While not a medical tool, it's useful for users wanting to track stress trends over time. SpO2 and skin temperature monitoring. Fitbit includes SpO2, blood oxygen, monitoring, and skin temperature variation tracking in the Charge 5. These features are passively recorded overnight and can help detect changes in your overall wellness. However, they are more useful for general insights rather than specific diagnostics. Built-in GPS and workout tracking. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the built-in GPS. You can leave your phone at home during outdoor runs or bike rides and still get accurate pace and distance data. The Charge 5 automatically detects and records several types of workouts, including walking, running, biking, and swimming. The device is water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and showering. However, it's important to rinse the band after contact with pool water to avoid skin irritation or damage to the materials. Smart features. While it's not a smartwatch, the Charge 5 includes a handful of smart features. Users receive calls, text messages, calendars, and app notifications limited to iPhones and can manage them from the watch. It also offers contactless payments through Fitbit Pay, though its compatibility with banks in Canada and globally may be limited. There's no onboard music control or storage, which may disappoint some users coming from older Fitbit models like the Charge 4 or Versa series. Battery life and charging. Fitbit advertises up to 7 days of battery life, and most users report between 5 to 7 days with normal usage. However, GPS sessions, continuous SpO2 tracking, and frequent use of the always-on display can reduce battery life significantly. Charging is relatively quick, about 1 to 2 hours for a full charge, but the proprietary charger may be inconvenient if lost or misplaced. App and premium subscription. The Fitbit app is intuitive and user-friendly. It presents data in clean visual formats and offers actionable insights. However, many of the more advanced analytics, including detailed sleep and wellness reports, are locked behind the Fitbit Premium subscription. This recurring cost, approximately $13 and 49 cents per month, may not appeal to everyone, especially since many health metrics are already available for free on competitor platforms. That said, Premium also includes access to guided workouts, mindfulness sessions, and nutrition advice. Accuracy and performance. Overall, the Charge 5 performs well in daily use. Step counts are accurate, heart rate tracking is generally reliable, though wrist-based sensors can sometimes lag during high-intensity workouts, and the GPS locks in quickly and remains consistent. Some users have noted discrepancies between estimated calorie burn and those recorded by other devices or apps, which is a common issue across fitness trackers. Still, for general fitness and wellness tracking, the Charge 5 is a capable and effective tool. User feedback and common issues. Based on numerous reviews across platforms like Amazon.ca, Best Buy, and Reddit, here are some recurring themes. Many users love the design and the new display. The health features like ECG and stress tracking are appreciated by wellness-focused users. However, there are complaints about the device failing to charge after several months or the charger malfunctioning. Some find the touchscreen occasionally unresponsive, particularly with wet or sweaty fingers. The Fitbit app's reliance on premium for full insights is a point of contention. Final thoughts. The Fitbit Charge 5 strikes a strong balance between affordability and features. For those who want a fitness tracker that goes beyond the basics without jumping into full smartwatch territory, it is a compelling option. Its sleek design, comprehensive health tools, and decent battery life make it suitable for casual users and committed fitness followers alike. That said, potential buyers should consider the known limitations such as occasional charging issues, reliance on Fitbit Premium for full functionality, and lack of music controls. White, heavy, checkmark, pros. Sleek, lightweight, and comfortable design. Vibrant color, AMOLED touchscreen. Built-in GPS for accurate outdoor tracking. Comprehensive health tracking, HR, SpO2, ECG, stress. Excellent sleep tracking and insights. Water-resistant and suitable for swimming. Decent battery life, up to 7 days. Crossmark cons. Known issues with charging for some users. No music controls or storage. Many features locked behind Fitbit Premium. The touchscreen can be unresponsive in certain conditions. Limited smartwatch capabilities compared to full smartwatches.